Hello everybody! I am here to tell you right now that I Love Nail Polish is trying to bankrupt me. They put out way too many awesome collections and I literally cannot take it. This is the Fall into Winter collection. It's very pretty. The first one that's up in that is called First Snow. It's a very light, it almost looks like a normal just silver hollow polish, but it has just a very tiny tinge of blue in it that just, I don't know, it just elevates it. It changes it a little bit from just a typical kind of silver hollow polish and makes it perfect and so pretty for this winter. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't it pretty? It's pretty. Did I say pretty? It's pretty. Really like this collection overall. And when I first started looking at it, I thought, okay, this has very similar colors in it. And I've been noticing that as kind of a trend across their last few collections. And it irritated me a little bit. But when I got into this, like this color and the next one, Get Cozy, and then the next one coming up, they're very similar, except for Get Cozy kind of has a pink tone to it, where the other one is more purple. Now, of the whole collection, this one, Get Cozy, and the next one, the kind of purple, I have seen in other places. You know, very similar things over and over and over kind of thing. Like I know Color Club has some stuff like this, but they're not quite as pretty as these. Staying in this one. This one's more of kind of a cool tone. I feel like these first three polishes are a little more cool tone and the last three are a little more warm tone. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's almost like it's the same colors, but then they elevated it and made them a little bit deeper, or three of them are cool and three are kind of warm. It's a very interesting collection and it would be very easy to kind of pair things together. But I really like this one. And you know what? I have a Color Club that's like this, but it's a little more warm, and I actually kind of prefer the silver tones to this one. Really liked it. Now in these photos, this one and the last one, Get Cozy, look almost identical in the bottle because of the way the hollow flares in them, but they're not. They're very different colors. The next one up is Emma, and you know, every time I see a polish named after a person, I just wonder, like, what made you look at this and think Emma? And like, what would Jill be? Curly hair and a side of snark? I don't know. But I don't understand naming polishes after people. It's just weird to me. So anyway, it's a very pretty color though, and I really love this one. And this combined with that lighter blue, oh, it's happening. There's going to be some winter nail art with that. I can't wait. All right, the last two polishes in this collection were the ones that I thought would be my favorites. And I've got to tell you, they are. But those two blues together are so freaking pretty. So really the ones that I'm kind of the most disappointed in are the pink and purple. Not that they're bad by any means. They're great. They're beautiful. They apply perfect. They wear great. Like, I love this brand. But this chai latte color was something I haven't really seen in a hollow anywhere, and certainly not as hollow as it comes out. And then when you combine that with this one, Love Language, which is kind of the deeper purple in the collection, so pretty. I kind of went back and forth on this one. I almost didn't buy it because I thought the colors looked really similar in the bottle. And again, that pink and the purple one, they kind of do. But the other ones are not as similar as it might look online, especially if you see something with big hollow flares in there. And I am going to go ahead and give you an Amazon link below to go to those. So if you are interested in them, you can click there. It'll take you right to them and you can pick them up. I have mentioned in my last video that if anybody clicks on those links, if I make any commission off of that through Christmas, I will be donating that to an animal charity. So if you're doing your Christmas shopping, I would love if you click that link so we can help somebody else out too. Here's the whole collection, and see, if you look to the right, they're kind of cool toned. The left side's a little more warm toned. And I wanted to go ahead and take my two favorites and just do a quick little mani for you guys. It's nothing incredibly complicated. I'm still trying to let my nails kind of heal up a little bit. The poor babies have been abused lately. They need a break. And the last of that damage from the acrylic that I did is growing out. So, you know, I'm quite happy to let them just settle. And I'm very grateful that most of you were okay with Swatch sticks, because honestly, my poor little nails need a break. They have been beat up in this last year. So I am going to grab this plate that just came out from Maniology. It was the last Mani by Me box. It should still be available until about the 20th if you don't have it. It's really cute knitting patterns, that kind of stuff, but it has some pretty fall leaves on it. And my nails are short enough right now that I can actually just stamp it once and cover both of my accent nails. I didn't want to do anything too crazy or complicated, you know. Sometimes a simple Mani's just as pretty as a complicated one. And that is what it looks like. So we've got Chai Latte on most of the fingers and then Love Language on the accent nail with Cozy from Maniology on the stamping. And I loved how it looked. I thought it came out great. Now see, if you look here in the Linear Holo, it makes it very hard to tell the difference between those three, but I promise you there is a big difference in person. I love them. I think they came out beautiful. It's a great collection. If you're looking for some kind of transition colors in a winter or some winter colors, they're fantastic. So let me know if you have any questions below. Let me know if you think you're going to pick this up. I'm curious to see if anybody else is going to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Bye-bye.